4v4 scenario. He's on Snake. Mingo told me Snake's the best operator in the game right now, in his opinion. Good day, Monterrey. Alright. This is champion. I love Snake's pistol. The sound it makes is so cool. Right there, under you. Yep. He's going for a one tap? Who does he think he is? Oh my god. Oh my god. What anime is this, chat? I don't know if I've seen this one. Brother. 9.1 out of 10. Your aim was a little shaky on mute with the pistol, but that was the only thing that held you back from like a 10. If you like snap headshotted mute, I think I would give that just a 10. Bro, the first shot was disgusting. That guy had literally like 0 seconds to react. The first shot was actually gross.